everyone, it's Natalie. Today I am filming a day in my life. I am actually packing for a little beach getaway today and I really kind of want to show you guys. I am going to the beach with Keon's family. I am actually going right now to get tested for COVID. I'm going to pay extra for the rapid test. There is a place in Queens that does the rapid test. This appointment was in Queens. So I am about to drive over there. I'm going to get an Uber and get over there. It's just a little bit far on the subway and I feel like it kind of defeats the purpose if I'm trying to like not interact with anyone and then taking a subway, you know. I just want to make sure that obviously I don't have it. I don't think I do, but want to double check. And Keon also got tested, which is great. But yeah, going with his family. It's going to be very safe, isolated beach, but I'm really excited to go. I haven't really been on vacation in so long. I also wanted to thank the sponsor of today's video, ThredUp. So thank you so much, ThredUp, for sponsoring today's video. I am a huge fan of ThredUp. I cannot wait to share with you guys the stuff I'm packing for my trip and just the stuff that I'm excited to have in my wardrobe. I gotta go though. I don't want to be late for my appointment because they literally had like no appointments and I needed to get it done before tomorrow. This is the urgent care outfit of the day, if you guys are wondering. Now, let's go. Alright guys, I am back and that was a long trip. It took me like 40 minutes to get there and then another hour on the way back, and it took me kind of a while to wait there. I had to wait to get my test results. I got some takeout, got some coffee. Anyways, drum roll please, I'm sure you're not shocked. Negative. Going to show you guys my ThredUp items. So excited to pack these. These are really great transition items. I've already worn a bunch of them a bunch of times in other vlogs, so you guys will see. But yeah, let's get packing. If you guys don't know, ThredUp is the largest consignment store. You can get things for up to 90% off, and they have some of my favorite brands personally, like Free People, Zara. If I could get a good deal on a basic piece, maybe from a more expensive shop, something that's a little bit better quality, you know I'm gonna take it. I bought some things from Klein, from Free People, things that I know are gonna last me a while. Adidas even. So the fact that you can get up to 90% off is just absolutely insane. So if you guys are looking for any trends, any basics, honestly, you guys just need to spice up your wardrobe for the end of summer, going into fall, going into back to school, whatever it might be, then you definitely need to check out ThredUp. I also have an exclusive 30% off code for you guys. You guys can click on the link and use my code. The way I pack typically is by outfit. I know a lot of people kind of throw things together, but I am one of those people that packs by outfit. So I have to do like my Monday outfit, Tuesday outfit, Wednesday night outfit. You know, I need to know kind of an itinerary so I know what we're doing, and then I typically pack like 2 or 3 extra outfits in there just in case. So we're gonna pack. These Bermuda shorts are so cute. I actually was very anti the Bermuda short trend, but I wanted to see how they looked on me, and these are J brand jeans Bermuda shorts. I got these from ThredUp. I am a huge fan of getting those trendy pieces that you don't know if you're gonna like them or not, but you want to test them out from ThredUp because they're so much less expensive, very affordable, and you can actually get like designer things. This is J brand, which typically would be so much more expensive, and these Bermuda shorts are so cute. I really like it with a crop. I think that's really cute, and some sunglasses, so I will definitely be bringing these on the beach trip. This is another perfect beach dress, so I love this. I think it's so cute. This is Calvin Klein, so it's a little bit fancier, but I really like this. I think it is a really nice dress. It fits me pretty nicely, and I just love this like deep V. I think it makes, you know, the collarbone, shoulder area look really nice. Alright guys, I think this one is my favorite like beach summer outfit. This is also Free People. It was so cheap, and with white jeans I think it looks really nice, and this is like the ultimate like beach fit, you know. Really love it. I love the button detailing on the side, and I just feel like it fits me really nicely. Goes with the tan, goes with the lighter hair, and then the white jeans just looks really cute. And then this is my ultimate favorite. I've worn this outfit 3 times now, so I'm sorry I'm a little obsessed, but I was looking for some shorts exactly like this, like the athletic, longer shorts. I feel like they're so in right now, and I found these Adidas ones on ThredUp. I actually just looked up like biker shorts or athletic shorts, and these came up, and they were literally exactly what I was looking for. So I just pair it with like a sports bra. Sometimes I'll do a longer sports bra, shorter sports bra, Air Forces, but yeah, I'm obsessed with this. Like Hailey Bieber whenever I wear these. And I also got this baseball cap. I love it. It was brand new, which I am very happy since it is a hat. But I got the Yankees hat. No, I don't really follow baseball. I'm sorry, guys. It's not a personal thing. It's just I thought the hat was cute, and being in New York, I felt like I had to have it. And now let's see how much I saved. So on the shorts, they were originally $158 and I got them for $32, which makes my total $126 for those shorts. That's amazing. The Calvin Klein dress was originally $139, which is crazy that I got it for literally $11. That is so beyond cheap. I saved $128 on that dress. That is such a steal. The Free People top, which was originally $38, and I got it for $15, which if you guys know Free People, you know that's a huge deal. And the Adidas shorts were originally $88. I also got those for $15, which brings my savings to $73 on those. And the Yankees hat was originally $25, and the thread-up price was $10. So I saved about $15 on that. My total savings were $365. That is more than I even spent on all of those items. I'm telling you guys, thredUP has some steals and it's really easy to dig through because of all the filters. So I'm so happy with my purchases and I cannot wait to wear these at the beach. Don't forget to use my code Natalie for 30% off your first order at thredup.com. You guys can also click on the link down below. Alright guys, I have my away suitcase and I have all of my stuff that I am taking. So this is kind of how I pack. I also forgot to put my workout clothes, so I'll be doing that in a second. Same for underwear. I always bring extra though because you never know what's gonna happen. And then I have my bras. I don't really wear bras that often, so that's why it's fine. Like I know I won't be wearing those every day. And then I have my set of PJs that I'm bringing, wearing some socks. I'll probably be wearing sandals a lot of the time. And then at the very end, I'm gonna come in here and get my workout clothes. And again, I do like the days I'm gonna work out, so like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever that looks like. And then at the very end, I do all my toiletry stuff. So that's how I do it. I'm gonna pack it in here. This is the Away carry-on suitcase. It's a great suitcase. I highly recommend. But yeah, I'm just gonna start packing. And desk came. This is so big. This wasn't supposed to come until October and it already came. And the dilemma is I'm putting a desk over there. The desk wasn't going to come until October, so they were supposed to get here at the same time. But now that this came, I'm like, I need to use this today. So I actually canceled my desk order and I found one that I was looking for on Facebook Market. It's a West Elm desk and now I'm getting it for less than $200. And I spent $400 on the original. So I'm actually getting it for half off and it's just going to go right here. It's a tiny desk. I am so excited for that to come in. This is my packing process. All I need to pack is my skincare and that is pretty much it. This bag right here, I didn't even sort through my bathing suits. I just packed them all since I didn't have that much. Like it had space, so I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna throw it all in there. And yeah, I've just been doing some work. I had some calls today with my manager and also my financial advisor. I need to chug water because I feel so dehydrated, so I'm gonna fill this up soon. But that is pretty much it. As for updates, hopefully I'm gonna get a TaskRabbit to go and pick up the desk and then bring it over here. And it's really nice because now I don't have to assemble it and I saved $200, which is so nice. I always get so happy when I have a good deal. But yeah, that's pretty much all I am doing right now. I need to upload the podcast. You guys, I've been slacking on the podcast. I've been really bad at it. It's my fault. It's no one else's fault but mine. I just haven't been really uploading, or no, I've been uploading, but I've been uploading delayed. Like I've been uploading on like, today's literally Wednesday and I upload Mondays and today's episode or this week's episode still hasn't gone up. So I gotta get better at that. I also want to start doing better episodes. I don't know, I just feel like they haven't been their best lately, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm feeling really hard on myself for these episodes. I just don't think they're that great or as great as they can be, but I'd love to know your thoughts and who else you guys want to see on the podcast. And I'm also thinking about adding another episode, maybe once every other week, called Nat Chats. I was going to do it at the end of the episode, but I thought it'd be good to do kind of like a shorter episode at the end of the week, and it would just be me talking about a random subject, getting your stories sent in, and speaking about that subject, because a lot of you guys have been asking me to talk about different topics that I'm like, I feel like I could kind of make a whole episode of this on my own. So maybe like 2 bonus episodes a month or something like that. But let me know what you guys think. Once I have my desk, the podcasting is going to be so much easier, you guys, because it is just so annoying recording on my bed. And I have this desk, which you guys know I love. It's my Amazon bed desk, which I really do love, but whoops. But it's just really annoying setting that up, putting the podcast stuff on here, where when I have my desk, it'll just automatically be on the desk permanently. That is going to be such a game changer. I'm just so excited to use my Apple. So another thing I like to do before leaving the house or going on a trip or anything like that is emptying out the fridge. I haven't done that in such a long time, so I'm going to need to do that right now, and just taking out all the trash. I had so many packages, so all the boxes are right here. So I'm going to take out the trash and empty out the fridge, and probably just clean up a little bit, because I want everything to be very, very clean before I leave. So I'm in a huge rush. Keon's gonna pick me up soon, but this is pretty much my tech backpack. I have my iPad, my podcast microphone, external hard drive, all of my chargers, and my laptop in the back, and my AirPods in the front zipper. I think I forgot my iPhone charger, which would not be good. And then I've always pack my birth control. And yeah, I gotta zip up this backpack, but I am such an overpacker. I think we're only at the beach for 4 days, but I was like, what if we're there for more? So I just had to pack for literally so much more. Like, I am a big packer. I also just got this in the mail and ordered some pampas grass, and I'm gonna put it right there. I think it'll look super cute. But yeah, I have to go and pick up this desk. So me and my friend are gonna go, and we're gonna pick up the desk. Oh, sorry, so many different trains of thoughts. I'm gonna bring these masks. These are cute. Okay. Whew. I am going a million miles a minute. I am in such a rush. Let's go.
So I went to go pick up my desk and I rearranged my room a little bit actually. The bad thing is that the paintings are no longer centered, which I don't know how bad that bothers some of you guys. I feel like I just noticed it right now. Like I don't think it looks that bad and like that's totally off center. So I might just shift everything eventually. That's gonna be the least of my worries because I don't even know if this is a permanent decision. But I actually like it like that. So I had to move my bar cart to the side, which I really don't mind. I think it still honestly looks very fine. And then, and I was gonna put this just like in the corner here, kind of have it be my desk and nightside table. But I was really scared because I always sleep with water, like on my nightside table. And that would be so bad if I spilled water on my new desktop. So I had to do that. And now I have all of this empty space right here. And I moved the plant on the side, so like if I'm taking my mirror selfies, it's still in there with like the pampas grass right there. So I think I like this setup. I actually think I really like it. Yeah, I think I will have to shift my artwork, but that will be a mission for a later time. I got this on Facebook Market. There's no drawer or anything, it's just like a plain desk, but I think it looks really good. And my computer literally is the size of the desk. It's as big as the desk, but now I have like way more room to back up and stuff, so I actually like this a lot better. Here's the box. There she is. She is beautiful. Wow, that is just stunning. And I love that I have room for more stuff over here, and it's not, I was really scared that the computer would take up too much room, but I think it's perfect. And I'm really glad that it's actually over there and not here because it would be blocking the mirror. It was just way too tight being in that corner. I love it. Downside is the AC will be blaring on me when I'm sitting, but it's only for half the year and it's actually not bad because I tested it out beforehand. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna get a real chair, but that will do for now. And then I'm trying to get rid of all of this stuff, so hopefully I won't even have that anymore. This is it, guys, on my way to the beach. I'm so excited to be taking the first vacation of pretty much the year. Actually, no, I went to LA in January, so not of the year, but pretty close. But I'm really excited. We're gonna be super, super safe. I mean, not getting on a plane, not taking public transportation or anything like that. I'm just really excited. And I'm excited to see Keon because we are long distance and we don't get to see each other often, and quarantine has kind of made it harder to see each other in the sense of like, we don't know when we'll see each other. We don't have a plan, we don't have an end date, but you know, it's okay. I'm thankful for trips like this. And this is how I pack. So I have all my podcast stuff, electronics in there, clothing, my purse, rearrange my room a little, gonna get my shoes on and head downstairs. I am at the beach. It's so freaking nice out here. I didn't really want to bring my camera, wanted to set it down, have a nice relaxing time here, but it's just so peaceful and I wanted to end off the vlog. Thank you so much to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to get 30% off, please use my code Natalie. I'm also going to have the link down below. I'm going to enjoy my time at the beach and I hope that you guys are having a good summer so far. I know it's a pretty low-key summer for everyone, but I am really excited to just be taking this time off, so thanks for watching.